Do you want to improve your English listening and speaking practice? Maybe you need English for real-life professional conversations, but you feel stuck. You want to speak better. Today, we fix this. We are going to stop translating in your head. In this English lesson, you will train your brain to think in English using our proven 4-step method. We will practice listening, learn new vocabulary, check your understanding with questions, and finally, build your English fluency with shadowing practice. By the end, you'll feel ready to use this practical English in your daily job. Hello, and welcome back to English Unshackled. Let's dive in. Put yourself in the scene. You are starting your day at the office. Good morning. How are you today? I'm doing well, thanks. Ready for work? Good. Are you ready for the meeting? Yes. I just need to check my slides. How is your part of the project? It is going well. We are on track. That's great. Did you run into problems? No, everything is going very smoothly. Wonderful. My part is good too. Let's touch base after the meeting. Yes, we can catch up in my office. Perfect. I will see you around 11. Great. I need to get started now. Okay. Me too. Oh, one more thing. Sure. What is on your mind? Just a heads up, the manager is back. Oh, she is back from vacation? Yes. She will be in the meeting. Good to know. I will be prepared. She will want a complete update. Right? I will review my numbers. Good idea. I should do that too. Okay. See you in the meeting. See you then. Have a good morning. You too. Talk to you later. Great job handling those real-life professional conversations. This type of daily English conversations is key. If this immersive POV method and this listening practice feel right for you, subscribe now. We post new lessons and new skills to speak English every day. Welcome to the breakdown. Let's learn the key English vocabulary from our dialogue. This is how you stop translating in your head. You learn the phrases. These are common English collocations. Let's start with our first one. To be on track. This means you are following the plan. You are meeting the schedule. Everything is going correctly. For example, a new sentence. We are on track to finish the project. And another example. Is your work on track for this week? Next up, a useful phrasal verb. To catch up. This means to talk to someone. You share news. You find out what they have been doing. Here is a new example. I need to catch up with my friend. And a second example. Let's catch up over coffee tomorrow. Another one we used was to touch base. This is very similar to catch up, It means to make contact. It is very common in professional English. Listen to this example. I will touch base with you later today. And one more. We should touch base before the trip. Here is our next phrase. A heads up. This is a warning or information. You give it to someone before something happens. For example, my boss gave me a heads up about the inspection. And another example sentence. Thanks for the heads up. I will be ready. Next, we have to get started. This simply means to begin, to start doing something. A new example is, it is 9 a.m. Let's get started. And a second one. I need to get started on my homework. And finally, a very common one. To run into a problem. This means to find a problem. You experience a difficulty. It was not expected. Listen to this example. I ran into a problem with my car. And one more. We ran into a delay with the delivery. Remember, repetition is key. This is how you build practical English skills. Practice these new words. Before we continue, which of these phrases was new for you? Or, thinking about our topic, when do you practice your professional English? Let me know in the comments. Now, let's test your English listening practice. You will hear a part of the dialogue. Then, I will ask a question. Try to answer it. Let's begin. Snippet 1. How is your part of the project? It is going well. We are on track. Question. Is my project going well? Think about it. This is good English grammar. Try to say the answer out loud now. The answer is yes. My project is on track. Snippet 2. That's great. Did you run into problems? No. Everything is going very smoothly. Question. Did I have any problems? What did I say? This is great practice for speaking naturally. The answer, no. I did not run into any problems. Snippet 3. Let's touch base after the meeting. Yes. We can catch up in my office. Question. What will we do after the meeting? Take a second. This improves your English skills. The answer, we will touch base or catch up. Snippet 4. Just a heads up, the manager is back. Oh, she is back from vacation. Question. What warning did I give you? Think in English. What was the reason? The answer, that the manager is back. Snippet 5. Good. Are you ready for the meeting? Yes, I just need to check my slides. Question. What do I need to do before the meeting? Think about my answer. What was my task? The answer, I need to check my slides. Snippet 6. Great, I need to get started now. Question. What did I say I need to do right now? This is a very common phrase. What did I say? The answer, I need to get started, or begin my work. Snippet 7. Oh, she is back from vacation. Yes, she will be in the meeting. Question. Where will the manager be? Listen again. Where will she be? The answer, she will be in the meeting. Snippet 8. She will want a complete update. Right. I will review my numbers. Question. Why will I review my numbers? Try to connect the two sentences. What is the reason? The answer, because the manager will want a complete update. How did you do? If you felt your understanding improving, hit the like button. It shows me this practice is helping you improve your English. This is the final step. Shadowing practice. This is how to speak English with better pronunciation. Your goal is to copy my voice. Imitate the rhythm and the sound. This builds muscle memory for English fluency. You will repeat every line. This is real English. Let's begin. Block 1. Greetings and status. Let's practice the opening conversation. Good morning. How are you today? I'm doing well, thanks. Ready for work? Good. Are you ready for the meeting? Yes. I just need to check my slides. How is your part of the project? It is going well. We are on track. That's great. Did you run into problems? No, everything is going very smoothly. Wonderful. My part is good too. Block 2. Making a plan. Excellent work. Now let's practice planning. Let's touch base after the meeting. Yes, we can catch up in my office. Perfect. I will see you around 11. Great. I need to get started now. Okay. Me too. Oh, one more thing. Sure. What is on your mind? Block 3. The heads up. You are doing great. This is key for speaking confidently. Final block. Just a heads up, the manager is back. Oh, she is back from vacation? Yes, she will be in the meeting. Good to know. I will be prepared. She will want a complete update. Right. I will review my numbers. Good idea. I should do that too. Okay. See you in the meeting. See you then. Have a good morning. You too. Talk to you later. Congratulations. You have completed the full practice. You practiced listening, learned new English vocabulary, answered questions, and completed the full shadowing practice English. This is how you speak English. Do not stop here. Repetition is essential. Re-watch this lesson. Practice the shadowing English speaking practice again tomorrow. This is how you train your brain to think in English and achieve English fluency. If this English lesson helped you improve your English, please hit the like button and subscribe to English Unshackled for more skills for fluency and English for daily life. This is the best way to support the channel. What topic do you want to see in the next video? Let us know in the comments. To continue your studies right now, click one of the lessons on the screen. This is English Unshackled. Thank you for learning with us.